Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the list of countries which are eligible for earning money on Quora. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then go to your profile, which is at the top left corner, then click on the settings, which is at the bottom of the screen, and now you should see the account section or account option, and then here you can see the country of residency, Romania, but click on the learn more, and here earning programs eligible countries. Residents in the following countries are eligible to participate in the earnings program, and here is the list: Australia, Belgium, Canada, and so on. So this list is accurate. So if you want to make sure that you are living in a country which is eligible, come here and check your country in this list. So I hope that video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.